Hi guys, welcome back to PyPro versus YouTube channel where curiosity meets the code. So as we discussed earlier, this is the part 2 of unlocking AI with Python with applications and insight. So today we are having the first one as Python plus augmented analysis. So as I mentioned in the previous video, I wanted you guys to go through what is augmented reality. So you pretty much have an idea of what is augmented reality. So augmented analysis leverages machine learning and AI to enhance the data analysis by automating data preparation, insights, discoveries, sharing, so these kind of things. And Python is central to develop these advanced analytical tools. And what are the application with these two? We have automated data cleaning and preparation, AI-driven insight and recommendations. We have natural language query responses. We have predictive analytics and forecasting. And we have enhanced business intelligence dashboard. Moving on, we have Python plus automation. Nowadays, everything we need automatic. So cars, automatic. So using Python, usually this is acquired. So Python is commonly used for automation due to its simplicity and vast number of libraries available, which is the plus point of Python. And automation can be applied to a wide range of tasks from simple scripting to complex workflows. And the application for these are automating repetitively tasks, that is data entry, file management. So we don't have people sitting on the screens entering the data. Automatically the data is collected from the people who give the data. And we have web scraping and data extraction, continuous integration and development pipelines, and we have automated testings for software, task scheduling and workflow automation. Moving on, we have Python plus GUI. So what is GUI? It is graphical user interface, which is like the first thing that users see in a website. That is GUI development with Python. Again, Python is a very commonly used language for GUI development also. So graphical user interface development with Python involves creating desktop applications with graphical interfaces. Libraries such as tkinter, pyqt, and kinqi are commonly used. What are the applications with these two combination? We have custom software applications for businesses, educational software and tools, and we have data visualization tool. We have user-friendly interfaces for command line tools, and we have desktop utilities and productive applications. Moving on, we have Python plus microservices. Microservices architecture involves breaking down a large application into a smaller loosely coupled services. Python with frameworks such as Flask, Fast API is often used to develop the microservices. And what are the applications with these two combination? We have scalable web application, distributed system, API development for mobile and web apps. We have independent deployable services for larger system, and we have enhanced modularity in software design. Moving on, we have Python plus chatbots. So what are chatbots? The interface that appears to chat with the robot. So Python is also used for chatbot because of its simplicity and robust libraries like chatbot and Rasa. We have a library for chatbot itself. And we have chatbot can automate interaction and provide information or support. What are the applications that we can use with these two combinations? We have customer service automation, virtual shopping assistants, FAQs and information boards, interactive marketing tools, and educational boards for learning support. So in any kind of website, if you go for customer services or if you have any question, you do get a chatbot that will suggest you the answers, which is basically a combination of Python and chatbots. Moving on, we have Python and DevOps. So DevOps involves practices that combine software development, which is DEV, and IT operation, which is OOPS, to shorten the development lifecycle. Python is used for scripting, automation, and building the tools. Now, what are the combination applications? We have automated development scripts, infrastructure as code, which is IAC, with the tools like Ansible and Terraform, and we have monitoring and logging systems, continuous integration or continuous deployment of pipelines, and we have configuration management. Moving on, we have Python plus CRM. What is CRM? We have customer relationship management. So Python can be used to develop and enhance the CRM system, which may help to manage a company's interaction with the current and potential customers. Libraries like Pandas and Djangos are often used. So here, especially in sales, CRM are used. Like they have a portal where they can track people who are interested in the product, people who have gone through the product, etc. So they'll have the information of the consumer or who is looking for such kind of a product, and based on that, they do call and tell about their product and all. So what are the applications? The first one is sales and lead tracking, customer data analysis, automated follow-up systems, marketing companion management, and customer services and support systems. Moving on, we have Python plus ERP. What is ERP? It is Enterprises Resources Planning. So these are the system integrate various functions for a business into one complete systems to streamline the process and information across the organization. Python is used to develop and customize the ERP solution. So if you have a entire company, you need to know what the company is doing in one entire screen, which is the ERP. Again, applications is financial management, supply chain management, human resources management, inventory and order management, customer relationship management. Moving on, we have Python plus smart cities. Now, smart cities uses technologies to improve the efficiency of city operations and services, and Python is used for developing smart solution that enhances urban living. So there, it might be an automated machines, buses, displaying of the buses timings, or it can be a vending machine. So these kind of things in a smart city, you can also use a Python. So in these two combination, what can be there? We have smart traffic management, waste management, energy consumption monitoring, which is basically solar energy converted into electrical energy, and we have public safety and surveillance systems, and we have environmental monitoring and sustainability. Moving on, we have Python plus behavior analytics. Now, what is behavioral analytics involves? It involves analyzing the behavior of an individual on digital platforms. Python with libraries like NumPy, Pandas is used to process and analyze the behavior data. So suppose like a person is, you might also have observed if you search in Google for any kind of product, you'll have ads in YouTube and Instagram for the same kind of products. So that is basically behavioral analytics. So for each person, it will be different. And based on your search, your kind of content that you're seeing, it suggests few other things. So again, what are the application? We have user engagement and retention analysis. We can fraud detection in e-commerce, personalized recommendation, social media behavior analysis. We have predictive modeling for customer actions. Moving on, we have Python for manufacturing. So Python is used in manufacturing industry for the processes, automation, predictive maintenance, and quality control. So if you want a product to be is ready for sale, we need to conduct test if it's the correct quality of the product is great, so the customers will be satisfied. So for that also we use Python. What are the applications? We have automation of manufacturing processes, we have predictive maintenance of the equipment, we have quality control and defect detection, we have inventory management and optimization, we have production scheduling and planning. Moving on, we have Python plus renewable resources management. So here you can see description. We have Python used for the management and optimization of the renewable resources, ensuring a sustainable use and efficiency. So we use the renewable level to max using Python, and you can some of the applications that are in water usage in agriculture. We have drip irrigation, we have other kinds of things that we can program it easily when to water the plants. We can set a timing every day so that there is no need of manual efforts for farming, etc. So applications, we have optimization of water usage in agriculture, we have forest management and conservation, we have monitoring and management of the renewable energy sources, and we have analysis of renewable resource data, and we have sustainable fisheries management. So all this can be done with Python to renewable resource manage. The next one is Python plus logistic and supply chain. So Python helps in optimizing logistics and supply chain operation through data analysis, predictive analysis, and automation. So we need to know our supply chain if you own a business, so that is done by Python. And some of the applications are route optimization for deliveries. So we know where our products are going, whether they are received by the customer, etc. And we have inventory forecasting and management, and we have supply chain visibility and tracking, and we have demand forecasting, and we have warehouse automation. Moving on, we have Python plus agriculture. So Python is used in agriculture for analyzing data, automatic processes, and improving yield and efficiency. What are the applications? We have precision farming and crop monitoring, automated irrigation systems, yield prediction and analysis, soil health monitoring, farm management systems. So we use all these to make farming much more efficient and easier and less on the manual energy that we are using as of now. Moving on, we have Python plus smart grids. We have Python plays a role in the development of smart grids, which is used in digital technology to manage distribute electricity efficiently. So what are the application that we use? We use real-time monitoring of electricity usage. We have predictive maintenance of grid infrastructure. We have demand response management, and we have integration of renewable energy sources, and we have automated control of power distribution. Moving on, we have Python, which is used. What kind of Python is used in environmental science? We have Python is extensive use in environmental science for data analysis, modeling, simulations to understand and mitigate the environmental issues. So we see weather forecasting, and we have quality of our air, pollution control, etc. So we have the applications given as climatic change modeling, air and water quality analysis, ecosystem simulation, environmental impact assessment, and conservation planning. Moving on, we have Python plus marketing analytics. So Python is leveraged in marketing analysis to analyze consumer data, optimize marketing, companions, and predictive trends. So when you have to sell a product for a customer, you need to get customer information, etc., their data. We need to put a particular trend in it so that people are interested to buy. So that is done here using Python too. So what are the applications here? We have customer segmentation, companion performance analysis, predictive modeling for customer behavior, and we have social media analytics, and we have ROI analysis for marketing initiatives. Moving on, we have Python plus real estate. Now, how is Python used in real estate? Python is used in real estate industry for data analysis, market prediction, and property management. So applications such as real estate market analysis, property price prediction, rental yield calculation, automated property management system, customer relationship management for real estate agents. So basically, if you want to buy a piece of land, you will estimate the price, which can be done by Python. We estimate other managemental systems, which can be done by Python, and which are really few of them are really useful for estate agent, etc. Moving on, we have Python plus fraud detection, which is vastly used. So Python is really used in fraud detection. So how to prevent fraud from various industries leveraging machine learning and data analysis? Like suppose they do credit card fraud, so we have a detection for that. We have insurance fraud analysis, e-commerce fraud prevention, anti-money laundering systems, and real-time transaction monitoring. So this is basically when you suppose you want to pay for a fraud, you will always get a message of from the phone pay or the Google Pay. If you have observed that is done, which is recently included, it will warn you not to do it first. So that is also a Python fraud detection system. Moving on, we have Python plus human resources. Python can enhance HR process through data analysis, automation, and machine learning. This is applications which is employee performance analysis, recruitment and resume screening, employee engagement analysis, predictive analytic for employee turnover, and we have automated HR work. So if you guys have known about the resume which is processed through a system that is done by Python. Your resume is shortlisted through a system, and then if it is finalized, then the people will look into it. They also have a workflow which entirely is automated. Moving on, we have Python plus e-commerce like Amazon, Flipkart, etc. We have Python extensively used in e-commerce for web development, data analysis, and automation. So again, applications are recommendation system, inventory management, dynamic pricing, algorithms, customer behavior analysis, and fraud detection and prevention. Moving on, we have Python plus insurance. In the insurance industry, Python is used for risk assessment, data analysis, and automation of claims processing. So, what is risk analysis? So, when you take a insurance, they will predict that what kind of a risk you will get into and at what time. So, what are the application? We have risk modeling and assessment, we have fraud detection in the claims, and we have customer segmentation and targeting, and we have automated claims processing, and we have predictive analysis for policy pricing. Moving on, we have Python plus energy management. Python is used in energy management to analyze consumption patterns, optimize energy use, and integrate renewable energy sources. So, what are the applications using Python for energy management? We have smart metering and energy monitoring, load forecasting, optimization of energy consumption, integration of renewable energy sources, and we have predictive maintenance for energy infrastructure. Moving on, we have Python's plus space exploration. We have Python is used in space exploration for data analysis, simulation, and control systems. What are the applications here? We analyze astronomical data, simulation of space mission, control of systems for spacecraft, image processing for satellite data, robotics for space exploration. The final one is Python plus sports analysis. So Python is increasingly used in sports analysis to ensure the team performance, strategy, and fan engagement. So again, what kind of a performance? We already know that before the match starts, we already know the performance. What are the kind of teams playing against, which team is stronger, and all that is predicted by Python. So what are the applications? We have performance analysis for athletes, injury prediction and prevention, game strategy optimization, and we have fan engagement analytics, and we have scouting and recruitment analysis. So I hope this was a very informative video for you guys. If you have learned something from this video, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any queries, please do let us know. Thank you.